Welcome to Profit Plus. This is a short demonstration of how the system works in real life. When you come, the first thing you are going to see here is the login screen. This is where you put in your details and be able to enter the system. And when we talk about the login, we have two types of login here. We have the staff logging in, and then we have the owner logging in with an access control, which means the owner sees everything, but the staffs are limited as to what they can see. So when the staff enter the system, they can only enter product and they can only enter sales. They can't do anything beyond that. But when the owner logs in, the owner will be able to see from setup, product, batches, sales, expenses, and then the dashboard. It will go through them one after the other. The first thing is about the setup. Usually when you apply for both the trials and then the paid plan, we will be setting up the setup for you automatically, so you don't need to do anything much at the setup place. Now when you come to product, all you are supposed to do is to enter your product. Entering your product, let's say you are selling cement, so you write cement. How many bags are you having? That's unit in stock. You put it there. How much are you selling one? Then we see link badge. I'll be explaining what that badge means. And then how much did you buy one bag of cement? You put it there, then you save. Now let me explain the badge quickly. So the first thing is actually creating a badge. What the badge does is that when you go and buy goods for your shop, you bought different type of goods with different prices, and you brought all of them to your shop at a cost. That is transportation. People that did importation, they pay duty, they pay custom levy, and then transportation. People that did manufacturing, they also pay labor costs and all those things. And that one is called shared cost. That particular cost need to be shared by all the products, by all their units. So when you come, you create a badge by giving that particular goods that you went and take. You give it a name. All the costs you have incurred, the total shared costs you have incurred on them, being it transportation or whatever, you put in the total shared cost. Overhead cost, that is for your utility and all those, and it's not supposed to be there at all times. So depending on when you are putting in your product. So you create the badge, you give it a name, and then you put the total transportation or duty or whatever. If you are doing importation, duty will show here. So I've selected retailer. That's why we are seeing only these ones. Then after putting in the shared cost, you just save that batch. When you save that batch and you are putting in product, so all the product you bought that day, you brought to your shop that day, that you pay that transportation for, when you enter one of them, you just select the batch that particular product belong to. Then you add it to that batch and then you save. So the cost, the extra cost outside the price you used to buy the product, transportation, duty, and all those things, you put it inside the batch. Then you link it to all the product one by one by just selecting that batch from here. Then you save the product. Immediately you save the product will go directly into the system. So all the products you have in your shop, you put it inside the units you have in stock, how much you are selling it, the extra cost, you select the budget belong to, how much did you buy one, then you put it here, you save. Now when you are done putting all your products into the system, linking them to their badge, what the badge actually does is that it shared that cost, that total transportation that you paid for all those goods. The system itself will look at the value of each of the product and then give them an equivalent percentage or value of that particular shared cost to them. So you don't need to do any calculation. Now, when you come to sale, anytime you are making sale, your own is to just come here and enter sale. So this place act like your POS, your point of sale. So you come, you select the product you are selling. When you select the product, then you write the quantity the person is buying. The price we put it in the system is already there. Now we have something here called channel, a sales channel. Usually people that sell online, now it's about online marketing. The customer that is buying, is it from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, walk-in customer or others? You select it. The reason being that the system is going to look at it, analyze it, and tell you where your customers are coming from the most. So that when you want to run ad or do marketing or post your content, you'll be able to post it to that particular channel the more. That is how the system works here. So when you finish, you put in the sale, then you just save your sale. When you save the sale, automatically your sale will save. And when the sales is saved, it goes directly into the system. Then expenses. When you come to expenses, let's say in the course of running the business, you did some expenses. which is totally different from when you were bringing the goods, the extra expenses you did. Is it rent you pay? Is it staff? Is it transportation? Is it utility? All those expenses, you just come, write the amount, select the type of expenses, write the amount, and then you save. Then the expenses will also be saved. Now let us come to the main dashboard. When you come to the main dashboard, this is where everything you are putting into the system, from product to sales, this is where everything comes together. You will see your total revenue, you will see your gross profit, and you see your stock value. Stock value simply means all the goods currently in your shop, what is their value. The system is calculating it for you. The types of products you are having in your shop, the total units sold, your average profit margin, and then your expenses. When you come here, you will see your net profit. Automatically, the system will deduct your expenses from your gross profit and give you your net profit. And when you come to the down here, the system is giving you every product and how much they are giving you as a profit. This is where you will see products that are not doing well, products that are running at loss. You will see everything showing at the down here. And when you come again here, this is where you'll be seeing the best performing product and then the worst performing product showing. You come down to this particular sales channel performance. This is where you see where your customers are coming from the more. Is it Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, walk-in customers? You will see that one also here. When you come to the down, it's showing you every product that you are having and how many you've sold and how many is left. So products that are out of stock will show here automatically. And then you'll be able to track your inventories directly from here. And when you go down, you'll be able to see inside. The system will be giving you insights as to how your business is doing. And when you come down here, we've seen something like refresh, we've seen send report now, and then we see auto report. And when you come to the top here, they say auto report on. So the email we put inside our setup, the system picks it, and then every Sunday, 8 a.m., the system will be sending you your weekly report, how your business was able to go throughout the week, the sales you've made, the profit you've made, products that are out of stock, products that are left. The system will send you everything directly into your email for you to just grab and go through and see how the business is doing. So let's say you don't want to wait till Sunday, but you want an instant report to see how your business is doing. What you do is to click on this particular send report now and it will go. So let us give it a try. Let's come to the email. This is the email I put there. We see that the Google message here is the first message at the top here. Now let us go to the system and then let me click send report now. When you click send report now, you come to the down. The system is sending the report there. The report is now sent. So we go back to the email and then we refresh. We see the message is here. We just click on it, and this is how your report is going to look like. The business will give you all the rundown of your business and how the business went with insights, everything put together. So this is exactly how the system works, and this can work on your phone and on your laptop. When you request for the setup or the 14 days trial, what we'll be doing is I will be sending you this particular form for you to fill. So when you fill this form, we'll use the details of the form to do the setup for you and send your details to you. So this is basically Profit Plus, and Profit Plus, we made it to make the running of your business so easy and simple for you to understand your business and take decisions that will help your business to grow.